How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can simply clean your Ninja Crisp air fryer. So, of course, the first thing that we'll talk about is the power pod right here. Now, if you want to clean this, you just want to wipe it with a damp microfiber cloth. You also want to use a mild dish soap if greasy, and you want to dry it immediately afterwards because all of the electronics are on this power pod. You never want to submerge it in water, and you don't want to simply put it in the dishwasher. Now, for the glass container right here, or the plate that we have, basically with this one it's really simple. Dishwasher is safe, or you can use hand wash with warm soapy water, and you want to soak it for at least 10 to 20 minutes if the grease is stuck. Now, if you want to clean some burnt grease, you want to use a baking soda plus warm water paste, and you also want to use soft brush or non-abrasive scrubber. Now, as an important tip, you want to let the glass cool before washing to avoid cracking, and you want to clean after every use to prevent smoke or smell buildup. You also want to avoid steel wool on coated parts. And so those are the ways on how you can clean your Ninja Crisp air fryer. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.